this is my Bolognese easy recipe, spaghetti, Bolognese spaghetti. So let's eat lunch. So this is my Bolognese recipe spaghetti. So let's eat easy recipe. So this is my lunch. Video and please thumbs up and put a comment, and then please share to your friends and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.